Hello, I'm Wenjuan. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a dodgeball game in Scratch. Through this game, you will learn how to add a score, how to get the ball rolling, and how to make a sprite jump. Now, let's see how this game works. If the ball touched the sprite, the game will over. When the ball opposed to the sprite, click the sprite and press the ball. Your score will add 1. Now, let's work out this game together. Let's create a new project and give it a name. Dots rolling ball. Delete this sprite. Now let's design the backdrop. I choose a backdrop from Paint. Click the rectangle. I draw a rectangle. I don't need the outline. Click the reshape pointer. Click. Okay, let's give it a name. Mountain. Delete backdrop 1. Duplicate the mountain backdrop. Give it a name. Game over. Change the fill color to red. Input game over. Resize it to big. Okay. Now let's set the sprites. In this project, I need 2 sprites. One is ball. I choose a sprite in the libraries. Input ball. Click soccer ball. Another one, I also use it from the library. Choose a sprite. Input go ball. Click. If you think the size of Gobo is big, we can resize it small. Change 100 to 80. Click Customs. You will see Gobo has 3 customs. In this case, I only need 2, so delete 1. For recording the score, we need to make a variable. Click Variables category. Click Make a variable. Input score for all sprites. Okay. Now you see score is showing on our stage. Now let's coding. First, let's coding for the soccer ball. Click soccer ball. Click Events category. Drag when green flag clicked. Initialize the score's value. So we back to the variable and drag set my variable to 0. Select score. When it is a backdrop is a mountain, so back to looks and drag with backdrop to mountain. Okay, let's running. Yeah. let's set the ball's position. To set the ball's position, you need to avoid the ball touching the left edge. We place the ball here. Now back to motion and drag go to X, Y. X value is negative 202 and Y is 33. Now let's make the ball rolling. The ball will rolling until touching the right edge. So click the control category and drag repeat until block. The condition, we use the system category and drag touching mouse pointer block. And here we select edge. Back to motion and drag turn right 15 degrees and change the X value by 2. Now let's set the ball's right edge position. We place the ball here. Drag go to XY value. Now X is 192 and Y is negative 71. If the ball touching the right edge, the score will add 1. So back to variable and change my variable by 1. We select score. Now let's run it. Yeah. You see, this only play one time. Let's repeat it forever. So we drag forever block to here and move our blocks to this loop. Okay, now let's run it. Yes, it's working. You see, the ball is zooming but not following with the mountain. Let's work it for it. Click Events. When green flag clicked, repeat until touching the color of mountain. We click the control category and drag repeat until block. Click Sensing and drag touching color. The color, we use a dropper to get the mountain's color. Then change the Y value. Back to motion and drag change Y by -3. Now it's running. It's not working because at here we need forever block and move our blocks in this loop. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. Okay, now let's coding for global. Click global. When the green flag clicked, Switch the custom to global A. Back to looks and drag switch custom to global A. Global A. Let's set global's position. Drag go to XY. It's in motion. Go to XY. X is 95, Y is negative 37. You see, global is not facing to the ball. So, drag set rotation style left to right and point in direction negative 90. Okay, let's see. You see, global is facing to the ball. If global is touching the ball, let's switch the backdrop to game over and stop all. Click Control and drag F, then block. Click CC and drag touching mouse pointer block to here and change mouse pointer to softball. Back to looks. Drag switch backdrop to game over. Click Control, drag stop all. Let's see. It's not working. Why? Because at here we need to use the forever block. Move our blocks to this loop. Let's see. It's working. Okay, now let's code in to make a global jump. When I click global, back to events, drag. When this sprite clicked, let's play a sound. Sound, start sound, pop. Click Sounds tab. We don't use the pop music. Let's delete it and choose a sound from the library. Type bigger bowling. Okay, use it. Back to code tab. Start sound. Let's change pop to big bowling. Back to motion. Drag glide 1/6 to XY. Let's set the goalpost up position, and here X is 99 and Y is 131. Okay, now back to control and wait 0.7 seconds. Then the global will go down. Back to motion. Drag 1 second, 1/6 to XY. X value is initial value. It's 95. Y is negative 37. Negative 37. And the switch is custom to global C. Back to looks. Switch custom to global C. Now it's running. Okay, now we have finished this game. Thank you for your watching. Bye.